Bidu is a Chinese stock. It's a very healthy stock. It's very undervalued, has a strong performance in the past, and the future doesn't look all that bright, but that's because of the Chinese economy. It provides internet service. It's trading at good value compared to its peers, and this is a biggie. The analysts that are covering this expect the stock to rise by 70%. So why isn't the stock going up? Welcome to the Stock Planner channel. We're swing traders and we're trying to get the bottoms and tops of these stocks and then capitalize by trading in between. We're trend traders. That's what swing traders are, technically trend traders. And you try to do the trend reversals. As you can see, I suspected that Bidu was going to go up, and it's based on the zero lag MACD. It was showing a green dots, which normally indicates that, hey, there might be a reversal. And it's below the zero line. I like it that way. And at that time, the RSI was also below the 30, which is usually that's an oversold situation. And this is TTM squeezy. This momentum was going down at the time, but I thought it was going to reverse. And apparently it did not reverse. And I'm sitting right at the moment with a $100 loss. And I collected $586 of premium. There's still a lot of time in this trade. This ends in September, nearly 3 months from now. And this could easily reverse. We have earnings during that time, and there should be some volatility. This is a good company, and I suspect that around that time the stock should climb. But there's a lot of distance here to make up. It's currently trading at 86.76, and my break even is around $99 or $100. That's a lot of distance when the trend is down. So I mentioned this to determine whether I should close out this trade for a loss of around $100 or roll it for more time, as I think long-term Bidu is a buy. Let's do some analysis, some fundamental analysis using Simply Wall Street. But before we go, this is an indicator in TradingView, and it's showing that this stock is a buy, and that the analysts that are covering this have a stock forecast of about 64% growth, or 142. That's way up here. And that's a one-year price target. There's 42 analysts covering this. This is a very popular tradable stock, especially for options. And this is the midpoint, 142. Some of them feel that it go up to 181. Most of them feel it's not going any further south. There's various different ways of calculating valuation, price to earnings versus peers, but this is using discounted cash flow, and they're calculating what the price should be using discounted cash flow method. And they're saying this stock should be really trading at $215, but currently trading at 86. That's a good amount of distance. These are the Asian peers, and this seems to be a good value compared to its peers. And here's another look. Share price is $86, and the analyst average price is a predicted price for the future, and that's 12 months from now, is $146. Future growth, this is revenue, and this is earnings. Earnings you want to be a little more steeper, but hey, this is a very good chart. This is the assets of the company and the liabilities, and that's what you want to see in a chart. It pays no dividend. And you can see that with the stuff like it has no dividend. And you want a big green one. This is a little bit pale green, and you'd like a little more greener like this one. 1 year price target is 146, way up here. Wow. This is a price target at 142, still up here, but I'm down here. So let's take a look at a possible roll. So usually when you roll, you usually roll out to a later date, and we're at September now, so we're at another 3 months, and we go out to January. We'll put spread as a long strategy, and we think it's going to go up, so we move our strike prices in the upward direction, away from its current price, which is now at 87. And what this analyzer tool says, we are going to need 500 margin. That's what we needed before. The net credit is going to be $300. The max loss is $200, and the break even is $92. Let's see where that's at. But remember, I'm losing 100. And this is the playing field, by the way. So it goes up to 90, 91, This is where we can achieve it. We need it to go up higher. We need it to end up in January in this area here. But if it moves rapidly, we could take our profits early, and that's around $100. Is it possible to go up $100? Remember, our break even is 92. So I'm going to shut this old one off, and we're going to put a new one, a new long position, starting today, and it's $92 is our break even. $92. See that? Break even. And we want it to go to 100 to get our max profit. Well, it certainly could get up there. And by doing that, you're not in profit now, but you are going to extend this out to January. I think it's January 17th. Let's just double check that. Yeah, January 17th, third week. Now let's just do a little double check here. By rolling, we are going to achieve about a $92 profit where we had a $200 loss. I stand corrected. $200 loss, which gives us $92 profit, about $100. Turning on the old one and looking at it, the old one, this price has to go all the way up to $98. Using the new one, it only needs to go to $92 to start seeing some profit. But we don't reap as much because we're suffering a $200 loss if we roll. And that loss exists. A lot of people think when you roll, you're not losing anything, but you are. That is sunk cost, and you're just adding a new trade. And if you consider both of them together, it's a $100 profit. What do you think? Roll it or see if it comes back. There's a lot of time yet till September. I'm thinking that I might just roll. So what do you think? Leave a comment below. This is how I do technical analysis and trade management and risk management, because Bidu is one of my biggest loss. It's the most red that I have on the upcoming 3 months. I have other red. I'm losing $20 in Pepsi and $31 in Lyft and $75 in Walmart at the moment. But there's a lot of green as well. Remember, do your own due diligence. Don't follow these trades. It's not trade recommendations. If you learn it, you can win for life. Happy trading. We'll catch you on the flip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading.